Hello kids, I'm Neetu. We are doing Basic Mathematics Class 5 by Coral Publishers. So today we are starting Chapter 17, Temperature. You know temperature? Like the measurement of length, mass, capacity, time, area and volume, the measurement of temperature is very important in our day-to-day life. Do you know what is temperature? I hope you have some idea. In summer, you take a bath in cold water, drink cold water, other cool things. In winter, you take a bath in hot water, drink hot things. To tell about the level of coldness and hotness of a substance, we need some measure. Temperature is used as measure of hotness and coldness, and degree is the unit of measurement of temperature. Okay. The instrument used to measure the temperature of object is called the thermometer. So see now types of scales. Generally two types of scales are used to measure temperature. The first one is degree Celsius scale, and the second one is degree Fahrenheit scale. So the thermometers having Celsius and Fahrenheit scales are called Celsius thermometer and Fahrenheit thermometer respectively. These two types of thermometer are shown in the figure. Okay, आप देख सकते हैं. This is Celsius और ये है हमारा Fahrenheit में. The lower point on the Celsius scale is 0 degree and the upper point is 100 degree. So thus it is divided into 100 equal division. So each of the division stands for 1 degree Celsius. Right? Now the lower point on the Fahrenheit thermometer is 32 degree F and the upper point is 212 degree Fahrenheit. Thus it is divided into 212 minus 32 means 180 equal division. Each of these divisions stand for 1 degree Celsius. So 0 degree Celsius and 32 degree Fahrenheit are the freezing points of water. 100 degree Celsius and 212 degree Fahrenheit are the boiling points of water. It means 0 degree Celsius equals to 32 degree Fahrenheit and 100 degree Celsius equals to 212 degree Fahrenheit. So we also know that 100 division on C equals to 180 division on F. Celsius में 100 है, F में Fahrenheit में 180 है, दोनों equal है. So 1 division on C equals to 180 by 100 means 9 by 5 division of F. Now conversion of one scale into another. इसमें हम कुछ क्वेश्चन करेंगे जिसमें हम कन्वर्ट करेंगे लाइक डिग्री सेल्सियस टू फ़ारेनहाइट और फ़ारेनहाइट टू डिग्री सेल्सियस. So to convert Celsius temperature into Fahrenheit scale, we take the following steps. तो हम ये steps follow करेंगे. The first one, multiply degree Celsius by 9. अगर हमारा temperature डिग्री सेल्सियस में है और उसे Fahrenheit में convert करना है तो सबसे पहले आपने क्या करना है, उसको 9 से multiply कर दो. Then जो भी product आएगा divide by 5. Then add 32 to the quotient, right? So let us start. Example 1. Convert 30 degrees Celsius into degree Fahrenheit. So what to do? Multiply by 9. We are getting 270. फिर divide कर देंगे 5 से, that is 54. फिर इसमें add कर देंगे 32. So answer is 86 degree Fahrenheit. Now अगर हमें फ़ारेनहाइट से सेल्सियस में जाना है then what to do? We take the following steps. The first one, subtract 32, then multiply the difference by 5 and then divide the product by 9. देखो जो भी इसमें स्टेप्स है उसका उल्टा है. इसमें क्या था, थर्ड स्टेप में add 32, हम इसमें उल्टा चलेंगे, subtract 32. इसमें डिवाइड बाय 5 था, हम कर देंगे मल्टीप्लाई द डिफरेंस बाय 5. जो भी डिफरेंस आएगा उसको 5 से मल्टीप्लाई. इसमें मल्टीप्लाई बाय 9 था, हम कर देंगे डिवाइड द प्रोडक्ट बाय 9. तो यहाँ पे हमें उल्टा चलना है फ़ारेनहाइट टू सेल्सियस डिग्री में. Let us see example 2. Convert 68 degree Fahrenheit to degree Celsius. So what to do? The first step, subtract 32. Then multiply the difference by 5. 36 को 5 से करेंगे 180. Then divide the product by 9. 9 से divide कर देंगे product को. We are getting 20 degree Celsius. So the normal temperature of human body is 98.6 degree Fahrenheit and 37 degree Celsius. Now example 3, convert 90 degrees Celsius into degree Fahrenheit. What to do? Multiply by 9, 810, then divide by 5, 162, then add 32. That is 194 degree Fahrenheit. Okay. Now example 4, convert 140 degree Fahrenheit into degree Celsius. What to do? The step 1, minus कर देंगे 32, 108, multiply by 5, 540, then divide by 9. Answer is 60 degree Celsius. I hope this is clear to you. Now exercises based on such type of question. You can try these one on your own, some mental maths also. So I hope this is clear to you. Thank you for watching this video. Stay connected with us till the next video. Have a nice day. Take care.